We're here today to push the limits on some misconceptions about body armor. We got RMA plates here today. You guys are watching Fact vs. Fiction.
Some people say ceramic is fragile. We're here to test that. 3,000-foot drop test.
Check it out. Let's see what we got. Looks like the plate took it. Nothing out the backside. Gel's looking good. Let's go throw some more rounds in it. Gel looks good. Nothing. Clean. Armor caught everything. Nothing came out. And we put her through hell. They don't call this thing the King of Armor for nothing. This is their level 4 patented armor plate. We just put 11 rounds of 308, 147 grains through it, and not one of them came through. Caught every single one of them. Ballistic gel looks great. This thing is definitely worth the money. Check it out.